Hey y'all, this is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County, and I'm very excited that you are going to participate in a program we're doing for the Atlanta Science Festival. It's called an Orienteering Scavenger Hunt. It's going to use some principles of orienteering, which means using a compass and a map and your wits. Also, it's going to be a scavenger hunt to find some unusual things like the gnome homes that we have here at Mason Mill. So I want to give you a really short tutorial on how to get started with the orienteering scavenger hunt. First, you should read the instructions carefully. I've tried to outline how to do this game in the instructions, but I'm also going to show you how to get started with the compass right now. So first of all, open up the compass app in your phone, or you can use a compass, use a magnetic compass. As you can see, I have a compass right here on my phone, and I hold the phone flat in front of me, pointing in the direction I'm standing. And as I move it around, the bearing changes. As you see on the instructions, the bearing for the first control point that we're going to come to after the starting point, so I guess that's control point number 2, is at 180 degrees. Well, exactly 180 degrees leads me directly into the woods. Well, we don't want to go right into the woods. We want to generally follow that direction. Now, if I was able to walk in an exact straight line, I would arrive at my destination. But instead, I'm going to have to use common sense and my wits to begin walking down the Path Foundation Trail until I reach my destination. Do you remember what control point number 2 is? Yes, it's the railroad bridge. Clearly, we have reached control point number 2, the pedestrian bridge over the railroad tracks. Now, getting to the control points is easy because each control point is along the path trail. Finding the destinations, those are the goals of this scavenger hunt, can be a little trickier because you're going to have to, for most of them, leave the paved trail and go on a short adventure. So again, what you do is you get out your compass when you're at the control point, and then find your bearing, and then use your wits and the clues to figure out where to go. I've got my compass ready, so I'm gonna go find the first destination from here at control point number 2. Let's see, 95 degrees. And now, before I look up, I'm gonna press pause to not give anything away and invite you to come to Mason Mill Park and participate in the Atlanta Science Festival Orienteering Scavenger Hunt. Hope to see you on the trails. This is Ranger Jonah with DeKalb County.